Let's take a look at the Kenworth Genuine Cleaning Range. Two high-tech Kenworth Genuine Wash products are available with powerful cleaning abilities. Kenworth Genuine Wash and Wax is our flagship wash product. The powerful formula in Kenworth Genuine Wash and Wax combines a robust wash gel with the highest quality synthetic waxes and silicon dioxide to produce a super hydrophobic, slick and incredibly high gloss finish with supreme cleaning abilities. It is water-based, dilutable up to 200:1 and comes in ice fragrance. Kenworth Genuine Pro Wash is a concentrated super foaming wash gel in the iconic Kenworth red colour, coupled with the popular ice fragrance. It can be used via a high-pressure foam cannon, low-pressure foam gun or standard bucket wash and protects against rust with corrosion inhibitors. With its extremely high solid content compared with conventional truck washers, it has a dilution ratio up to 200:1. Wash performance is better on traffic film, insect spatter and exhaust soot than traditional truck washers. It is also an excellent touch-free wash for lightly soiled vehicles or a highly effective pre-soak before washing by hand. All of the Kenworth cleaning range are biodegradable and phosphate-free. Washers are pH neutral, non-acid, non-alkaline and non-corrosive and do not contain harsh ingredients and are all triple interceptor safe. They come in convenient pack sizes to suit all your needs and are made right here in Australia for Australian conditions. See the full range on our website, packarparts.com.au/catalogues or call 1800-P-PARTS 772 787 or speak to your Packard Parts store. The Kenworth Genuine Cleaning Range, made for your Kenworth.